GoPro Max Hero style video with unbreakable stabilization or immersive 360 footage. And in-camera stitching makes it easy to offload and edit your 360 content. Tap through 4 lenses to nail any shot: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide and max super view or widest view yet. Max Hyper Smooth delivers the smoothest video ever from a GoPro plus game-changing horizon leveling, when you want it. With the GoPro app, easily transform mind-bending 360 footage into traditional videos and photos. Playback, edit and share all from your phone. Classic hero style skills. Spherical capture wizardry. Unbreakable stabilization. Make way for Max, the most creative GoPro ever. Capture traditional GoPro video and photos or shoot 360 footage of everything around you. Snap a panoramic shot without having to pan, just point and click. Choose a digital lens to capture your footage exactly how you imagine it. And with 6 mics on board, you get immersive 360 audio and the best sound we've ever delivered. 3 cameras in one. Maximize your creative freedom. With Max you can shoot traditional hero-style video and photos or capture immersive 360 footage. Vlog to the max with shotgun mic performance and a front-facing screen. Max gives you unbreakable stabilization by using 360 capture as the ultimate buffer. Plus, you get in-camera horizon leveling. In hero mode, game-changing horizon leveling gives you that silky smooth cinematic look whether you're getting sideways, flipping through the air or chasing your kids. Pano without the pan. Take incredible 270 degrees distortion-free panoramic photos without having to scan the horizon. Plus, capture motion shots and epic selfies. Premium 360 plus stereo audio. Bump it. 6 mics capture true-to-life 360 audio and deliver the best stereo sound ever from a GoPro. Directional audio in hero mode lets you prioritize sound from either side of the camera, no matter which lens you're using, perfect for vlogging. Choose from 4 digital lenses in hero mode to get the shot. Capture video and photos in narrow, linear, wide and max super view or widest view yet. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos. In hero mode, time warp automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. Slow down the effect to real time, savoring interesting moments and then tap to speed it back up. This is HERO8 Black, unshakable hero camera ever. A streamlined design makes it more pocketable than ever, and swapping mounts takes just seconds, thanks to built-in folding fingers. And with the optional media mod, you get ultimate expandability to add more lighting, pro audio and even another screen. There's also game-changing Hypersmooth 2.0 stabilization with jaw-dropping slow-mo. Now it's easier to get the best view of whatever you're doing. Tap through 4 lenses: narrow, distortion-free linear, wide, and super view. A radical enhancement to Hypersmooth. Hypersmooth 2.0 now has multiple levels of stabilization including boost and game-changing in-app horizon leveling. Crank up the contrast, kill the blur, and shred. The revamped algorithm delivers badass action shots with detail you never thought possible. Get that surreal time warp effect you love now with automatic speed selection. Or just tap to speed it up or slow it down. Streamlined design. The reimagined shape is more pocketable, and folding fingers at the base let you swap mounts quickly. A new side door makes changing batteries even faster, and the lens is now 2x more impact resistant. Hypersmooth 2.0, smooth just got smoother. Now HERO8 Black has 3 levels of stabilization: on, high and boost, so you can pick the best option for whatever you do. Get the widest views possible, or boost it up to the smoothest video ever offered in a hero camera. Plus, Hypersmooth 2.0 works with all resolutions and frame rates, and features in-app horizon leveling. Capture super stabilized time-lapse videos while you move through an activity. And now, Time Warp 2.0 automatically adjusts speed based on motion, scene detection and lighting. You can even slow down the effect to real time, savoring interesting moments, and then tap to speed it back up. Record the moments 1.5 seconds before and after your shot, so you can choose the best single frame for the perfect photo, or an awesome shareable video. Vloggers, pro filmmakers, and aspiring creators can do more than ever imagined with quick loading accessories like flashes, microphones, LCD screens and more. Just add the optional media mod to up your capture game.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.